Hi everyone, I just got the Starlink Mini. It took about 48 hours to arrive after ordering, and I'm excited to show you what we have. This is an unboxing video. So here we have the Starlink Mini, the car adapter, and the router. Let's start with the Starlink Mini dish. So inside there's a diagram that shows how to set it up. And there's a QR code setup.starlink.com to download, I guess, the app from Starlink. And here we have the dish, power adapter, and the base. So the tablet looks bigger than I expected, but it looks a little bit bigger than an iPad Pro. It comes with a pamphlet with instructions and a really long power cable. The car adapter also has a diagram that shows how to connect it to your Starlink Mini dish. And there's some instructions here. And here's the adapter, USB-C, and a long power cable. So I guess it's a DC connection and USB-C. The Starlink Mini Router Kit has a diagram on the bottom of the box that shows what it comes with. When you open it up, there's a diagram inserts that shows how to connect it to a wall. And here's the mini router. It has two Ethernet connection ports and power connection. It's pretty small. And here's the power cord that connects to it. And that's all. Here's what my Starlink Mini came with: the dish and accessories. And if you'd like, I have a referral code in the description if you want 1 free month of Starlink. Thanks for watching. Bye.